Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So guys, I want us to talk about uMacele Lomayeni again. So do you notice ukuthi khona obviously uMayeni has two sons, right? uMayeni ele two sons enjalo, she now already has two grandsons, right? So ngokwe vision kaBaba uMseleku already that makes like umuzi kaMayeni to be very significant in the household kaBaba uMseleku by the mere fact that there are more boys uMayeni. Kwenza nje vele umuzi kaMayeni ube like a high up there go hierarchy ngokwe vision, not ukuthi kunjalo nje, but like I'm saying ngokwe vision kaBaba uMseleku, because I vision kaBaba uMseleku ithi khona obviously he wanted to have 20 kids, or he still wants to have 20 kids, and 20 kids lezi potential yokuthi more kids are gonna be born, it's in the household kaMayeni. So ngokwe vision kaBaba uMseleku nje i-household kaMayeni is a very significant part of the vision. Masiqathanisa la kuMacele, uMacele only has one boy, and that boy is uLwandle, and uLwandle nje ngathi nje indaba ye vision uyizwa nje, uyizwela ku TV uLwandle nje kakho endabeni ye vision, like ngathi nje he's not interested, or whatever the case, whatever it is. Also guys, probably I mean also lalo ukuthi khona uMpumelelo is the oldest son in the Mseleku I don't know, in the Mseleku clan. uMpumelelo is the oldest son. That also might be the reason why uMacele is feeling a pressure, because uMayeni, we haven't heard uMayeni talking about the fact that yena ungumamkhulu and stuff, but I think those things are some of the things ezenza umamkhulu nje ezwe esibale pressure eyokuthi hi girl phela. Guys, do you know ukuthi khona sometimes people will see what you have and know ukuthi this is very important, but when umnikazi wakho nje ube nje ungela ndaba nje awukho lapho, you have your own problems, uzicabangela inkinga zakho and stuff, but umuntu oseceleni uyabona ukuthi that one is at an advantage. That is uMayeni. Probably umamkhulu uyambuka uMayeni at the back of his mind, or at the back of her mind. Sometimes uthola ukuthi maybe it's not something that it's not something that's in the front of her mind. It's not something that like she can say ebantwini ethi khona yazi uMayeni has two sons and two grandkids, and has a potential of having as many grandkids because uMpumelelo is busy with them girls, you know. It's not something that she can just randomly tell someone, but it's probably something that is playing in her head as to nje ukuthi hayibo uMpumelelo. And then because it's something that's playing on her head now, sokuphuma ngezinye indlela sokuphuma emlonyeni kusithi uMayeni uzenza umamkhulu, uMayeni this, uMayeni that. Nkosi yami, I don't know, maybe because thina asikho esithenjini, we don't really, personally mina I don't really angisiboni isizathu sokuthi abe le pressure umamkhulu eyokuthi khona uMayeni has more sons. uMpumelelo is already giving birth to sons, and uLwandle is not forthcoming. Yazi angiboni, I don't think that's something that has immense abele pressure, because as uMayeni said the other time when umamkhulu was saying ukuthi uMayeni ulenkinga laye, uMayeni akamthandi, uMayeni this and that nje, uMayeni ucomputer and stuff, uMayeni wathi first things first girl, we don't even love the same things. Like we have different tastes. The only thing that we have in common is our husband. So already that shows you these people are two totally different people who are meant to live different lives. So umamkhulu nje is not supposed to compare herself with uMayeni, because honestly it's I think he was fakele pressure nje unnecessary, because mhlambe kudalwe njalo nje ukuthi uMayeni will have more sons and more grandkids, and yena mhlawumbe maybe she's probably yet to have grandkids, but ngendlela yakhe, like they're just living different paths. I feel like indaba yokucompare nje is like is something that she must stop ngoba izamkhwezela BP. So yeah, that's what I think. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.